What's up YouTube? It's your girl Vanessa, and I'm back with another video showing you guys how I make a frontal wig using hair from Luvme hair. So I'm starting using a mesh dome cap. It's just like the spandex dome cap, but of course it's mesh compared to the other one, which is fabric. And I'm putting my frontal on, and I'm using some T-pins just to keep it in place. But what you want to do is pull your frontal about 2 inches from the end of the cap, just so it'll make it easier when you go in to like measure your ears and cut your sideburns out. I didn't do that, but I will do it the next time I make another frontal wig. And I'm just sewing from left to right. I started sewing where that T-pin is, so I'll sew from the middle to the right side and then from the middle to the left side. And I just go under and then through the frontal. Hopefully that makes sense. But right here I'm taking my first weft and I'm going to pin it at a curve, and then again start stitching from left to right. And I put it under, and then it makes like a loop with the needle, and I put it through there, and that's how I sew. I don't like twist and do one knot like some people do when they sew. It just works for me just doing the loop. But I'm just gonna go from left to right, and I'm going to just fold over when I get to the end, but I will come back and show you guys that part. So let's get into this hair. So this hair is a 20-inch frontal, and my bundles are 22, 24, and 26 inches. And either before or after this video goes up, I will have a review, because I have worn this hair. I made this wig probably like 3 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, but I have been wearing this hair. So check out that video just to see my thoughts and everything on this hair. I will put it in the description box if it goes up before this video. That way you can check it out, and you can see my unboxing video as well that I posted if you would like to see, like the little goodies and things like that came with the hair. This hair was not sent to me. It was purchased with my own coin, so I'm not biased or anything like that with my opinion. And right here is the part where I'm flipping over my weft, and then I pin it in the middle and then pin it on the very end just to keep it in place. And the way that I keep it flat after I fold it over is I go just a little bit past the little folded piece, and I sew, and then I go right back close to the folded piece and I sew right there. But I'm knotting off the needle just because there was a little knot in the actual thread, which made it like a little hard for me to keep sewing. But I'm still just sewing left to right, left to right. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the uploads from me. I do have more videos coming for you guys, so you definitely don't want to miss out on anything. Plus, we're trying to grow this channel, so go ahead and join the family. So right here I'm now on the second bundle, and this one I did double, and I'm doubling it so for one I can get all 3 bundles on this wig. And then I want the middle part to be fuller, so I figured if I doubled this one when I sew it in, then I can get the desired thickness that I want in the middle. And I'm just showing you guys my progress so far. This is all 2 bundles sewn in, and then this is the area that I have to fill in with the 3rd bundle. So now I'm working on the 3rd bundle, still just sewing from left to right, left to right. And I will come back when I'm close to the end of making this wig just to show you guys how I close it up. But I'm still like flipping over, folding it, curving it, and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is what I have left, and what I'm doing is just folding it from left to right, filling out that small section in the middle. If you guys want a more detailed video, then definitely leave me a comment in the comment section, because I do have another wig to make and I can record it, you know, more close up and in detail, and just put out a longer video for you guys just to show you how I make my frontal wig. And as always, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.